Hello everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to download and install Paradot personal AI application. So go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then tap on the search box and type the word Paradot AI. So you'll get the first option. So Paradot personal AI chat. So you can see the rating of the 3.5, 20 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already download this app. If you want to check like what about this app, then you can get. The app is released 2023, one years ago. So when people say it is good, you can use. It's not totally free, but you'll get some free access here. Thank you.